Looking for the most reliable new cars under $20,000? You're in the right place. Welcome to Auto V Fix, where we help you master car buying and ownership. While new car prices have skyrocketed, there are still several excellent models available between $20,000 and $30,000 in both the US and Canada. The big question is, are these affordable new vehicles actually worth buying when it comes to reliability and cost of ownership? Today, we'll examine each option to determine which are worth your hard-earned money and which you should avoid. Let's begin with Nissan, the current champion of budget-friendly cars in 2025. Nissan offers the most affordable new vehicles in North America, starting with the Nissan Versa, the least expensive new car you can buy today. Close behind are the Sentra, Kicks, and Kicks Play, which share similar mechanical components but offer slightly more space and features. These Nissan models deliver impressive fuel economy thanks to their simple, naturally aspirated four-cylinder engines that are generally reliable and inexpensive to maintain. They also provide decent interior space and come equipped with modern safety features. However, there are some significant drawbacks to consider. The biggest concern is Nissan's build quality, which falls short compared to Japanese rivals like Subaru, Honda, and especially Toyota. The most serious mechanical issue involves their continuously variable transmissions, or CVTs, which have a history of premature failures. If you're considering long-term ownership, this is a major risk factor. Among Nissan's offerings, the Kicks and Kicks Play represent the smartest choices. The Kicks Play in particular offers excellent value, providing more space, a higher ride height, and better resale value than the Versa, all for only slightly more money. While Nissan wouldn't be my top recommendation for reliability, the Kicks lineup presents the best option if you're set on the brand. Next, let's examine Hyundai's most affordable 2025 models, the Venue and Elantra. Between these two, the Venue crossover stands out as the better choice. Its small SUV design offers the practicality and high ride height that modern buyers want, which helps maintain strong resale value. The Venue's 1.6-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine proves more reliable than the Elantra's problematic 2.0-liter power plant. Hyundai's excellent warranty coverage provides additional peace of mind, protecting your investment for years to come. Hyundai's sister company Kia offers the boxy Soul hatchback and new K4 compact sedan as their most affordable options. However, the Soul appears to be getting phased out, making it difficult to find at dealerships. Like Hyundai, Kia's 2.0-liter engines carry reliability concerns, making these less than ideal choices for budget-conscious buyers prioritizing longevity. Now let's look at one of the most popular domestic options, the Chevrolet Trax. As General Motors' least expensive vehicle, the Trax represents one of North America's most affordable crossovers. It offers practical packaging, good fuel efficiency, and modern technology, all appealing qualities for cost-conscious buyers. However, long-term reliability remains questionable. The Trax's tiny 1.2-liter turbocharged three-cylinder engine seems overstressed for long-term durability. While reasonably priced in the US, GM's significant price hike for Canadian buyers makes the Trax a poor value north of the border. For shoppers determined to get an SUV at the lowest possible price, Mitsubishi offers the Outlander Sport, known as the RVR in Canada. This aging design comes with basic technology, mediocre safety ratings, and an overall cheap feel. While its lengthy warranty and decent reliability might seem appealing, Mitsubishi's shaky position in North America, poor dealer network, and difficult warranty claims process make this a risky choice. So what should you buy if you want an affordable, ultra-reliable new vehicle? In my opinion, the clear winner is the Toyota Corolla, Toyota's most affordable North American model. The Corolla delivers exceptional fuel efficiency, smart design, and impressive standard features at its price point. More importantly, it's incredibly well built, inexpensive to maintain, holds its value exceptionally well, and offers unmatched reliability. Available as both a sedan and hatchback with either conventional or hybrid powertrains, the Corolla has a configuration for every need. If you require more space, the Corolla Cross provides all the same benefits in a small SUV package with available all-wheel drive, all while staying under $30,000. Another excellent choice comes from Subaru the Impreza. No manufacturer does affordable all-wheel drive better than Subaru, and the Impreza combines this capability with strong safety ratings, good quality, and proven reliability. While the Crosstrek SUV variant proves more popular, its higher price doesn't offer enough additional value to justify the cost over the standard Impreza. Honda's Civic remains another safe, reliable choice in this price range. While no longer the bargain it once was, especially in Canada where prices have risen significantly, the Civic still delivers tremendous value. Its simple 2-liter 4-cylinder engine is nearly indestructible with proper maintenance, and the car's resale value outperforms most competitors. Mazda's compact car matches Toyota and Honda for reliability and low maintenance costs while offering superior styling, sportier handling, and a more premium interior. It also boasts the segment's most powerful standard engine, a 190 horsepower 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, and the only conventional 6-speed automatic transmission in its class, no CVT here. For those preferring an SUV body style, Mazda's CX-30 provides all the same benefits in a crossover package. With this combination of qualities, it's easy to see why Mazda has become such a strong contender in today's market. One final tip. While buying used often makes financial sense, these particular models retain their value so well that purchasing new actually makes more sense. The minimal depreciation during the first few years, combined with higher used car loan rates and reduced warranty coverage, eliminates most potential savings. That wraps up our look at the most reliable new cars under $30,000. Which of these would be your top pick? If you own any of these models, share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car buying advice, and check out our other videos for additional tips on getting the best deal. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.